Hello dear students, welcome back to my class. In today's class, we are going to discuss about limitations of public sector utilities. My dear students, in previous classes, I have explained what is the meaning of private sector, what is the meaning of public sector, and we have discussed the different types under public sector utilities. Those are departmental undertakings, statutory companies and government companies. Okay, under private sector utilities, we have all the types of classifications which we have discussed in second chapter. Please go to those videos and check out. Okay. First of all, what we have to do here, how the question will be asked in your exam. Understand that they will ask, can the public sector utilities give the tough competition to private companies in terms of profit and efficiency? This will be the question. How you can write? First of all, tell me, is it possible to public companies to give competition in terms of efficiency and profit to private companies? No. Why? Because they have some limitations. Why? Because there is the involvement of government and ministries. As I have explained you under departmental undertakings and government companies. In each and every decision, the ministry is involved. Okay, government is the key player here. That's why there are some limitations. You should not get confused seeing at that particular question. When you see the question in your exam, you will get confused. What is this question? Because they are not asking directly limitations. Okay. Then what you have to do, you have to understand. They are asking limitations only, but the question is somewhat twist. That's it. So what is the first point here? Lack of flexibility in operations. When the public sector utilities are doing their day-to-day operations, or any public sector company is operating, the operations are not flexible. What is the meaning of flexibility here? My dear students, rigid and flexible. Rigid means what? Rigid means there is no freedom or no flexibility in operations. Flexibility means what? There is a freedom of operations or freedom of decision making. Okay. Here, in case of public sector utilities, a lack of flexibility is there. Flexibility means what here? Adjusting according to the situation. The public sector utilities cannot change itself or adjust itself or adapt the change in the market. The reason behind this is involvement of government, or we can say there is always a interference of government. Why there is an interference of government? Because government is a majority shareholder in these companies, public sector utilities. Okay. Then next point is delay in decision making. My dear students, in any decision, in case of private companies, the people who are involved or who are sitting in the top position, like board of directors, CEOs, can take the decisions quickly with proper discussion. But in case of public company, what happens? Each and every decision should pass through that particular hierarchy. Low level management, middle level management, then top level management, as well as the ministries are there. Ministers are there, then government approval, government subsidies. Many regulations, rules and regulations are involved here. Okay, because of lots of rules and regulations and number of rules and regulations, there is a delay in decision making, and it impacts the efficiency and profitability of the company. Next point is what? Insensitive to the customer needs. See here, in today's world, customers are considered as kings. Why they are considered as kings? Customer is a king. We often listen this particular sentence in market. Yes. Why? Because the customer, he or she is having options. Okay, your company is not having the monopoly in market. Your company is not the only company in market. They are having many options. Okay, now if you want to purchase an iPhone or any Android phone, mobile phone, right, or any four-wheeler, two-wheeler, any product, okay, you are having n number of options. You are having options. Then you can go to other companies also. If the public sector utilities are not sensitive towards the customer needs. Sensitive means what here? They have to understand what actually customer wants. We should not force the customer. Okay, we should not force the customer to buy the products which we have produced or manufactured. We should understand the customer needs, and we have to prepare or we have to manufacture the products as per their needs. Getting my point? This is the thing. So insensitive to the customer needs, because as the public sector utilities are insensitive to the customer needs, they are not in the position to give the competition to private sector, because private sector companies are making or they are doing proper research of market, and they are ready to know their customers and manufacture the goods as per the customer needs. Okay. Then next point is provisions of Companies Act does not have much relevance. See here, you know that there is Companies Act 1956 and Companies Act 2013. The private companies are strictly following the Companies Act provisions. But in case of public companies, government companies, what happens? The majority shareholder is government. They are having the hold over the operation. They are having interference in each and every decisions of the government, every decision of the business. That's why mostly the provisions or rules and regulations which are given in Companies Act 2013 or 1956 are not followed in these industries or these companies. This is a thing. Okay. Then as they are not following these rules and regulations, and private companies are following different set of rules and regulations which are given in Companies Act. Okay. They are working at different efficiency. They have more efficiency in their operations. They have more clarity of thoughts in their decision making as well as ideas, in imposing ideas in market. Why? Because they are very much connected with the market and they are ready to adopt, flexible, okay, adopt the change. These are the points which are proving that public sector utilities are not in the position to give competition, or they cannot become competent to private sector utilities. Okay, thank you. My dear students, please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any queries or any questions, you should comment in the comment box. Thank you so much.